During COVID-19, global drug shortages left U.S. shelves empty. India's generic drug industry stepped in, supplying affordable medicines with strict quality standards. But how did it become a key supplier? Let's explore its rise. Generic drugs are identical to brand-name medicines in dosage, safety, strength, and quality. Once a patent expires, other manufacturers can produce them, often at a fraction of the cost. India plays a key role here by supplying high-quality generics to America, ensuring affordability without compromising safety or effectiveness. India is a global leader in generic drugs, ranking third worldwide by production volume. Strict regulations, like those from the Indian Pharmaceutical Commission, ensure high-quality medicines. This, combined with cost-effective manufacturing, makes India a key supplier to markets like the U.S., offering safe and affordable alternatives. But getting a generic drug from India to your local pharmacy isn't simple. It involves passing strict U.S. FDA regulations. The FDA ensures that Indian-made generics meet the same quality and safety standards as brand-name drugs. India's industry goes beyond basic requirements, like detecting harmful impurities, to match global benchmarks. This builds trust so you can be sure generic medicines work just like their brand-name counterparts. Now, let's zoom in on a real-world example, Dr. Reddy's subsidiary, Origene. In 2021, Origene signed a massive global drug manufacturing deal with a major pharmaceutical company. This wasn't just about making pills. It was about supplying over 20 products to the US, Europe, and Canada. Imagine this as a high-stakes partnership where India's expertise meets global demand. Origene didn't just meet FDA standards. It set new benchmarks for quality control, proving that Indian generics aren't just cheap, they're cutting edge. But how do we know these drugs are truly safe? Take nitrosamine's tiny, harmful impurities that can form during manufacturing. Until recently, they were invisible to most labs. But in 2021, India took a bold step. The Indian Pharmaceutical Commission created reference standards to detect 7 carcinogenic nitrosamine impurities. This wasn't just about meeting regulations. It was about setting new global benchmarks for safety. Think of it like adding an extra layer of security, ensuring that even the tiniest risks are caught before a single pill reaches your hands. When you grab a bottle of vitamin B12 from Walmart or Amazon, chances are it might have been made in India. Indian generic drugs slash costs for Americans like Nature's Bounty's 1,000 Mexias tablets, often priced at just $5.50 for 200 count. That affordability isn't luck. It's the result of India's efficient manufacturing and global compliance. Strict FDA standards ensure these generics work exactly like brand-name drugs, but cost up to 80% less. It's a win-win. Americans save money, while Indian pharma proves quality doesn't require sky-high prices. But global trade isn't always smooth sailing. Take Canada's response to U.S. tariffs, like-for-like counter-tariffs, that ripple through supply chains. These challenges don't stop Indian generics, but they add layers of complexity. Meanwhile, deals like Origene's with major pharma giants show how India's expertise navigates these waters. It's a balancing act: strict regulations, global demand, and the need to stay ahead in safety standards like India's nitrosamine detection breakthroughs. The result? A resilient industry that keeps American medicine cabinets stocked without breaking the bank. But how can we be sure generic drugs are safe? Take nitrosamine's tiny, harmful impurities that can form during manufacturing. Until recently, these were nearly impossible to detect. But in 2021, India took a groundbreaking step. The Indian Pharmaceutical Commission created reference standards to identify 7 carcinogenic nitrosamine impurities. This wasn't just about meeting regulations. It was about setting new global safety benchmarks, proving that India's generic drug industry doesn't just follow rules, it leads in precision and rigor. Looking ahead, India's generic drug industry is gearing up for even bigger things. Companies like CNH Industrial aren't just making tractors. They're investing heavily in manufacturing to meet global demand. Meanwhile, deals with major pharma giants show how India adapts to challenges, from trade tensions to strict safety standards. This isn't just about cost savings. It's about pushing boundaries in quality and innovation, ensuring American medicine cabinets stay stocked without breaking the bank. When you pick up a generic drug in the US, how can you tell if it's from India? Look for the FDA's green approved label. It means the drug meets strict safety checks. Also, check the manufacturer's name. Many Indian firms like Dr. Reddy's or Kipla are trusted global suppliers. Don't forget to scan for nitrosamine warnings, a recent safety upgrade unique to India. These small steps help you spot high-quality generics that keep costs low while ensuring your medicine is safe and effective. So, next time you reach for a generic drug in the US, remember this isn't just about saving money. It's about cutting-edge safety standards set right here in India. From nitrosamine detection to deals with global pharma giants, India's industry proves that affordability and innovation can go hand in hand. Now that you know how these drugs make their journey, share this video with someone who loves exploring healthcare innovations or hit